Be ready. Start. Women have always played a crucial role in shaping societies across the world, and India is no exception. Stop. The role of Indian women in the development of the country has evolved significantly over the decades, from being confined to domestic spaces to actively participating in various socio-economic, cultural, and political spheres. Stop. As India emerges as a developing nation with a growing economy, the contribution of women in various sectors is gaining greater recognition and importance. Stop. Para. The history of India is replete with examples of women who have left an indelible mark on society. Stop. From the ancient Vedic period, where women like Gargi and Maitreyi were known for their intellectual prowess, to the freedom struggle, where figures like Rani Lakshmibai, Sarojini Naidu, and Kasturba Gandhi played significant roles, Indian women have always contributed to the nation in different capacities. Stop. However, despite these contributions, women have historically faced social restrictions and discrimination, limiting their potential to contribute to national development. Stop. Para. One of the most significant contributions of Indian women to national development is in the economic sphere. Stop. In rural India, women contribute heavily to the agricultural sector, working alongside men in farming, animal husbandry, and handicrafts. Stop. According to various reports, women constitute nearly 43% of the agricultural labor force in India, although their work is often underappreciated and underpaid. Stop. In urban areas, women are making remarkable strides in the field of business, entrepreneurship, technology, and corporate sectors. Stop. Successful women entrepreneurs like Kiran Majumdar Shah, the founder of Bicon, and Faguni Nair, the founder of Navya Naika, have not only created employment opportunities but have also inspired countless young women to dream big. Stop. Para. Government initiatives like Startup India, Stand Up India, and Mudra Yojana have also played a vital role in promoting women entrepreneurs in India. Stop. Women are now becoming financial contributors to their families, challenging traditional stereotypes and driving economic growth. Stop. The role of women in politics has gained momentum over the years. Stop. From being denied the right to vote to now holding significant political positions, women have come a long way. Stop. Leaders like Indira Gandhi, who served as the first female Prime Minister of India, and Pratibha Patil, the first woman President of India, have paved the way for future generations. Stop. Para. The implementation of the 73rd and 74th constitutional amendments in 1992 which provided 33% reservation for women in local governance, has significantly increased women's participation in decision-making processes at the grassroots level. This has empowered women to work towards the development of their communities, thereby contributing to nation building. Indian women have also made remarkable contributions to social and cultural development. In the field of education, figures like Savitri Bai Phule and Fatima Sheikh were pioneers in promoting women's education. Today, educated women contribute not only to their families' development but also to society by promoting literacy, health, and awareness. Women in media, arts, and culture have also played an essential role in shaping modern India. Female filmmakers, journalists, authors, and artists have brought attention to critical social issues, influencing public opinion and policy reforms. Indian women have also contributed significantly to healthcare and social welfare. Female healthcare professionals, social workers, and community leaders have been at the forefront of improving maternal and child health, promoting hygiene, and reducing gender-based violence. Despite their enormous contributions, Indian women continue to face several challenges that hinder their full potential in national development. Issues such as gender inequality, wage disparity, lack of access to quality education, and social norms still act as barriers. Additionally, crimes against women, including domestic violence, dowry deaths, and workplace harassment, continue to plague Indian society. The government of India has taken numerous measures to empower women and ensure their active participation in the development of the country. Programs such as Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, and Women Helpline Scheme have been launched to promote education, entrepreneurship, financial independence, and safety for women. Furthermore, the Women's Reservation Bill, which seeks to reserve 33% of seats in Parliament and state legislatures for women, is a major step towards ensuring women's representation in governance. For India to achieve its dream of becoming a developed nation, it is imperative to recognize and enhance the role of women in every sphere of life. Ensuring equal opportunities in education, employment, politics, and healthcare can unleash the full potential of women, thereby accelerating the pace of national development. Furthermore, creating a safe and inclusive environment for women, promoting gender equality, and challenging societal norms that discriminate against women are critical steps toward empowering women and driving sustainable development. The role of Indian women in the development of the country is undeniable. From being the backbone of families to becoming leaders in various sectors, women have shown exceptional capability in driving growth and change. Recognizing their contribution and empowering them further is not just a matter of social justice but also an economic and developmental necessity. Stop.